Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into something that's more than just a vehicle. It's a moving home, a road trip legend, and for many families, the ultimate symbol of freedom. Yes, we're talking about the Ford Motorhome, the powerhouse platform that carries adventures across highways, mountains, deserts, and coastlines. When people say Ford Motorhome, they're usually referring to motorhomes built on the legendary Ford Motor Company chassis, especially the popular Ford E-Series and the newer Ford F-53. These platforms are the backbone of many Class C and Class A motorhomes you see on the road. So while Ford doesn't build the living quarters themselves, they engineer the heart, the skeleton, and the muscle behind these rolling homes. Let's start with performance, because under the hood is where Ford's reputation truly shines. Most modern Ford motorhome chassis are powered by a 7.3-liter V8 gasoline engine, often called the Godzilla engine in automotive circles. It produces impressive horsepower and torque, giving you the strength to move a fully loaded motorhome that can weigh anywhere from 12,000 to over 22,000 pounds. That's not just about speed, it's about confidence. Whether you're merging onto a highway or climbing steep terrain, the power delivery feels strong and consistent. The transmission system is typically a heavy-duty automatic gearbox, engineered to handle high torque loads smoothly. Gear shifts are calibrated for both performance and durability, which is critical when you're traveling long distances with passengers, luggage, water tanks, and appliances on board. You're not just driving, you're hauling a compact house. Now let's talk ride quality. Motorhomes built on the Ford F-53 chassis feature a robust suspension system designed to stabilize large bodies. Thicker sway bars, heavy-duty shock absorbers, and reinforced frames all contribute to reducing body roll and improving control. It's not going to feel like a sports sedan, and it shouldn't. Instead, it delivers a planted, steady experience, especially important when crosswinds hit on open highways. Steering is power-assisted and surprisingly manageable considering the size. For first-time RV drivers, the scale can feel intimidating. But once you settle in, visibility is excellent, thanks to a high seating position and wide mirrors. Many models also integrate rear-view and side-view camera systems, making parking and reversing significantly easier. Braking is another critical factor. Ford equips its motorhome chassis with 4-wheel disc brakes and advanced braking systems designed to manage heavy loads. The stopping power is strong and predictable, which is essential when descending hills or navigating traffic in urban areas. Let's shift from the mechanical side to design and practicality. On the exterior, the final look depends on the RV manufacturer, but the Ford base provides a sturdy, aerodynamic front end in Class C models, often recognizable by the familiar Ford grille. The structure is built to support slide-outs, roof-mounted air conditioning units, solar panels, and storage compartments. Speaking of storage, one of the biggest advantages of a Ford-based motorhome is cargo capacity. The chassis is engineered to handle substantial payloads. That means you can carry camping gear, bikes, tools, extra water, and still maintain structural integrity and road safety. Inside, this is where the magic of motorhome living comes alive. While layouts vary, you'll typically find a sleeping area above the cab in Class C models, convertible dinette beds, a compact kitchen with stove and refrigerator, a bathroom with shower, and sometimes even entertainment systems and climate control zones. And because the platform underneath is built for reliability, you can focus more on enjoying the journey rather than worrying about mechanical issues. Fuel efficiency is always a question with large motorhomes. Let's be realistic, these are not economy cars. Depending on weight and driving conditions, you might see mileage in the range of 7 to 10 miles per gallon. But buyers don't choose a motorhome for fuel savings. They choose it for freedom, convenience, and the ability to travel without hotel bookings. Another strong selling point is serviceability. Since Ford has a massive dealership and service network across North America and many other countries, maintenance and parts availability are generally easier compared to niche RV chassis brands. That's a practical advantage that long-term travelers truly appreciate. Safety technology has also evolved. Modern Ford platforms can include features like traction control, stability control, hill start assist, and in some builds, collision warning systems. These technologies help compensate for the vehicle's size and weight, adding an extra layer of security for families on board. Now let's address who this is really for. A Ford motorhome is ideal for families who love road trips, retirees exploring the country, content creators living the van life dream at a larger scale, or even entrepreneurs who want a mobile office setup. It's not just transportation, it's a lifestyle tool. In terms of cost, Ford-based motorhomes generally offer strong value. The chassis is competitively priced compared to some diesel alternatives, and gasoline engines are typically less expensive to maintain than diesel pushers. For many buyers, this balance between performance and affordability makes Ford a very attractive foundation. Of course, there are trade-offs. You'll deal with larger dimensions, higher fuel consumption, and the need for careful maneuvering in tight city spaces. But if your goal is highway cruising, camping in national parks, and creating unforgettable family memories, those compromises feel small compared to the benefits. In summary, a Ford motorhome combines robust engineering, dependable performance, wide service support, and flexible living space options. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about turning every mile into part of the adventure. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Ford motorhomes and want more detailed automotive reviews, road trip guides, and honest vehicle breakdowns, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we continue exploring the machines that move our lives forward.